Welcome to the topic strategic management. Here in chapter 10, we're going to discuss about models for value-based management. Maracon and McKinsey model for value-based management. The following iteration is followed in Maraconian. A famous consulting group has devised this methodology approach to value-based management. Specification of value determinants. This method is based on the market to book ratio model, which stipulates the shareholders' wealth is measured as a difference between the market value and the book value of the company's equity. Understanding strategic drives of value. Chief financial determinants of value perception includes the spread, that is difference between return on equity and the cost of equity, and the growth rate is dividends. Such parameters are influenced through market economics and the competitive position of the company. Profitability and revenue growth depends on the following factors: customers' perception of product and service, intensity of indirect competition, rates of entry of substitutes, suppliers' pressure. Ultimately, all depend upon product differentiation and economic cost positioning. Formulation of higher value strategies. Value involve participating in a dynamic market and building competitive advantages by adapting efficient strategies. Participation strategy in this stage defines the product market in which the company will compete and also new business that it should enter and the one that must be exit. Developing superior organizational capabilities. For continuously dealing with competition, the company need to develop superior organizational capabilities to overcome internal barrier to value perpetuation and find a balance between the organization object and those of the shareholders. In order to accomplish the key organizational capabilities, these are required: a value goal oriented CEO, a matching compensation plan for HR, a transparent corporate governance mechanism with high accountability for wealth perpetuation, a resource allocation plan based on principles of zero-based budget and least tolerance to errors. The Maraconia approach is a popular value-based planning model because of its focus on return on equity, growth rate, and the cost of equity are widely used as important measure of business. Performance are easily accessible. Further, the market value of the company is regarded as an external scorecard by the business. McKinsey approach. This is another value building model that is adapted by corporate companies strategically as a finance strategy. McKinsey and Company, the leading international consultancy group, developed and uses this model to implement value-based management. The practice is based on the discounted cash flow principle, which is a direct measure of value creation. Finding value drives, establishing appropriate managerial process, implementing value-based management properly, ensuring continuously creating of value and thereby gaining competitive advantage. Locating value drives. Corporate key value drives are those performance variables that influence the value of the business. They are classified into generic level value drives, business unit level, grassroots level. Ensuring the supreme of value maximization. Endorsing the principle that value maximization is the ultimate financial objective and that the top management should adapt the discounted cash flow method to assess the value creating activities. Organization activities can be classified into financial and non-financial types. It helps the senior management sustain focus while it motivates the entire workforce. Non-financial activities include product development, customer satisfaction, and quality improvement efforts. Establishing appropriate managerial process. Adapting appropriate managerial process for value maximization involves the following steps: development of strategy, setting of target, formulating action plans, measurement of performance, implementing value-based management properly. Full involvement of decision makers or implementer is essential to activities of the management in line with the principle of value-based management. To ensure the value maximization, this is possible by having a review mechanism that constantly review the value generation and perpetuation as against the set target and rectify to ensure mid-course corrections. Intellectual property rights (IPR). In short, IPR is nothing but the legal rights to prevent competitors from doing what the company is doing. Example: patent, trademark, registered design, copyright, technical know-how, design drawing, formulation, etc. In a merger or takeover process, issues to be addressed or points that need to be carefully looked into are: what IP is needed for the company to start up, who owns the IP, how to secure rights for company to use the IP, license, payment for use, upfront fee, royalties, shares, right of the owner to terminate. So here we're winding up the topic strategic management. Thank you.